Hey everyone, and welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at editing and exporting your footage on the Insta360 app. In this lesson, we're really going to delve into how you can get the best out of your footage for your social media channels and videos that you want to broadcast to the world.
First of all, import your footage into the editing workspace. Open the gallery and select your desired clips. Trim away unnecessary sections to focus on key moments and align with your narrative. Now let's dive into one of the standout features of the Insta360 editing app, keyframes. So what exactly is a keyframe? A keyframe is a point in your footage that you can select and adjust to change the angle of the camera. It's the ultimate tool for creating dynamic, professional-looking edits with ease. Here's how it works. Simply scroll to the moment in your footage where you want to set a keyframe and press the yellow plus button. Once you've pressed the button, you can move the angle of the camera anywhere you'd like, giving you complete control over the viewing point. And when you're happy with the angle, continue adding as many keyframes as you like. This locks in your new position and adjusts footage to continue playing from that angle. With keyframes, you're not just editing a video, you're creating a new story from every angle. Experiment with switching between the 360-degree views to follow marine life or track diver interactions. Preview the footage to ensure smooth and natural transitions. And you can add different effects such as slowing down or speeding up clips as well. To edit multiple videos together, select the edit button on the bottom of the menu bar. Then click the button saying create a video, and then select all of the clips you want to include. This will bring up all of those clips on a timeline. You can change the ratio by on the bar at the bottom, scrolling to ratio and selecting which one you prefer. You'll also be able to add in transitions between the videos, as well as other things like text. Once you've edited your video and you're happy with how it looks, you can start to export it. Click this icon and then adjust your export settings. In the mobile app, you can export up to 4K. Choose 80 to 100 megabytes per second for 4K videos to ensure balance between quality and file size. Save to your device's gallery, and then you can also use built-in options to share directly to platforms like TikTok or Instagram. It's important to note that you can also explore the desktop app, which offers advanced encoding options like ProRes 422 and resolutions exceeding 4K.